So the exclusion of batsmen Shimron Hetmyer and especially Evan Lewis from the West Indies ODI squad to tour Sri Lanka on the grounds that they failed a fitness test has now mushroomed into a debate about the comparative importance of optimum fitness to batting performance in cricket. I think fitness is overrated, especially for batsmen. And this Evan Lewis situation showed that I am right. Lewis scored a century and a 99 in amassing 208 runs in the last ODI series against Ireland. And this was 2 or 3 weeks ago. The selectors admit that he was the best batsman and the bedrock of that series win. This so-called unfit man outperformed all the other batsmen in the West Indies team, and then he's dropped for the very next assignment on the grounds that he's not fit. That don't make no sense to me. The pass mark for that fitness test is too high. Look, no batsman can score basically back-to-back centuries without a functional level of fitness. And the last time I checked, batting was about scoring runs. So any process that eliminates my best and most informed batsman from a cricket team is a non-progressive process. And I want to close my case by asking this question. Where else in the world would a batsman who averaged 104 in his last series, miles better than every other batsman in the team, and for the very next series, him get dropped, same no fit? Where else in the civilized cricket world would that happen? You tell me that.